Up in Hurricane Milton, we're currently staying at my parents' house. We still have electricity till October 22nd. We're gonna go check up on the house today. We wanna thank you guys for everyone who's been playing for Florida. Up in Hurricane Milton, we're currently staying at my parents' house. We still have electricity till October 22nd. We're gonna go check up on the house today. I spoke to my neighbors today, check up on them. There's no electricity either. We want to thank everybody who's been praying for Florida, praying for all of us. We really thank you guys, and we'll keep you updated.